Hey, what's up guys? Quick little tech tip for you today about batteries. I've seen so many people disconnect and reconnect batteries incorrectly, and I want to explain why they're doing it incorrectly and how to do it correctly on this Subaru. So here we go. Another quick video I want to shoot or talk about that people get wrong so often with batteries and electrical systems. They always disconnect the power side. I've seen so many people do it when they're trying to work on the electrical system. They disconnect the power side rather than the ground. Let me tell you why it's not smart. The power always tries to travel from the positive side to the ground. It's trying to complete the circuit. So it just wants to get from here to there. So if you were to, for example, leave the ground connected, that means that the car, all the metal in the car is connected to this post. So if you disconnect the power side, if I were to take this terminal off, which is actually loose, I can literally do that. Now, if the ground side were connected right now, and I touched a wrench accidentally from this post to anywhere on the body, it would shock me. That's because it's connected on this side still, so the electricity will travel from this post through the wrench into the body wherever you accidentally touch it, and then back through the grounding cable here. It will complete the circuit and then shock you. Now, if you disconnect the ground side, you can accidentally touch ground to ground all you want. That does nothing. They're normally connected anyway. But if the ground side's disconnected and you accidentally touch power to the body anywhere like you were in the previous scenario, it does nothing because it has no way for the electricity to get through the body and back to this post. So I hope that helps some of you guys understand electricity a little bit better. Please disconnect your negative when you're working on your car. You always disconnect it first and hook it up last. Just a little tech tip for you.